Good morning. Today we're going to learn how to log into MIT Scratch. This is the site we will use for coding, and I need for you to follow these directions. You will use Google Chrome. You'll type in MIT Scratch and go ahead and hit search. When you search, your results should be as you see here, and we want to click on Scratch. At this point, you have several options available to you, and the very first thing you need to do is join Scratch. If you do not log in every time you do your work will be lost. It's only saved if you are signed in. So the first thing we need to do is join Scratch. So up here in the top blue area, you'll see the words Join Scratch. If you touch that, you'll be given some prompts. It says create a username and a password. I would suggest you use your username and password from school so it's easier to remember. If you vary from this, you must write it down because it will be up to you to remember. So once you hit this, if you hit next in Scratch, it will ask you some questions. It's okay to put in the United States, and it also asks the month of your birthday and the year. That's fine. The next one is, what is your gender? I would mark prefer not to say, simply because I don't like to give any more information to any site than I have to. So once you get done with that, you will probably get a welcome to Scratch. Please remember your username and password. Write it down if it is one you don't use every day. So once you're in, I'm going to go back here just a minute and I'm going to sign in. I can't remember my login. But when you log in, the very first thing you're going to do is hit Create. It's right here in the blue bar next to Scratch. On your first assignment, I have the continuation of how to use Scratch. So your first assignment has a video as well. Please let me know if you have questions, but this video is designed to get you to join Scratch so that you can sign in. Have a good day.